Solidity 0.8.35 just shipped, and I tried two things that actually matter. First, the new erc7201 Builtin. 3 lines of dangerous keccak math become one safe annotation, and I verified the slot math against the compiler myself. Second, warnings for words about to become keywords in 0.9.0. I added one to my contract just to see what would happen, and Solidity flagged it instantly. Both worth your time. Hi, welcome to Amy's Releases, a channel where we show recent framework releases with hands-on examples in short videos. Let me show you 2 stories. The first is short, a built-in you can grab and use today. And here is what makes it interesting. It is the first of a whole new category, a comp time built-in, which means more like it are coming. The second story is longer term. If you have ever hit stack too deep, and if you write Solidity, you have, the long-term answer is here. The team is rebuilding the codegen from scratch. The foundation landed in this release. There is a Solidity Summit talk worth watching. Link in the description. Let us start with what you can use today. So I tried it on tipjar from the last video. If I add this one line at the top, layout at erc7201 with a name, say amys.tipjar, then the contract storage now lives at the slot the built-in computes for that name, and I do not have to think about storage layout at all. To make sure I wasn't just trusting the magic, I ran forge inspect tipjar storage layout, and there it was, the owner variable, sitting at this big slot, a number no other contract on Earth will ever accidentally pick, unless they pick the same name. Then I checked the math myself, opened Python, typed the formula by hand, and the number that came out matched the built-in bit for bit. Before today, you would have typed that whole formula into your contract as a constant, hoping you got it right. Now, one line. The compiler does the math. So why does this matter? Picture this. You ship a contract today. A year later, you upgrade the logic and add one variable. Where does it go in storage? Guess wrong, and your new variable lands on top of the old version's state. Data corrupts. Silently. No revert, no error. Just slowly wrong numbers in production. People have lost real money to this. EIP7201 was the workaround. Diamond contracts have used the trick for years. Until today, you wrote that keccak math by hand. With 0.8.35, the language just does it for you. One annotation. That is the whole feature. While I was there, I noticed 0.8.35 also adds warnings for words about to become keywords in 0.9.0. Error, layout, super, this, and yes, even at. Some of them you might be using right now without thinking about it. So I added a string variable called layout. Yes, exactly the keyword we just listed. And Solidity flagged it on the next build. I renamed it to nametag, and the warning was gone. You'll get the same treatment for 10 more identifiers. Fix today, and your codebase is ready for 0.9 before it lands. That is 0.8.35. 3 things to take with you. The erc7201 Builtin, namespace storage in one line. The keyword warnings. Fix them today, before 0.9 ships. And the SSA CFG codegen, the long-term answer to stack too deep. The repo is in the description. Try the built-in this afternoon. It is just one line. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.